guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make this spiral, and as you can see, as the spiral increases, the colors are changing and the triangles are increasing. Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make a spiral project on Scratch. So what you want to do first is choose a sprite. You can choose one of the Scratch default sprites, or you can also choose to make your own. For this project, I will be using the ball sprite. So here's my sprite, and what I want to do now is decrease the size as much as possible. This will allow us to better see our drawing. For this project, you will need the pen extension. To access extensions, press this button and click pen. This will then give you a series of blocks you can then use to make your project. So what you want to do first, like every other project, is get the when flag is clicked event, which will then allow whatever block is put below it to play when this button is hit. Then you want to get the pen down block and move it to your when clicked event. This will allow a line to be drawn wherever your sprite goes. So for instance, if we move the sprite 10 blocks to the right, a line will be drawn following it. For this project, you need to start with a basic shape. So I will start with a triangle. I will do this by moving the sprite a particular number of steps, then turning it 120 degrees and repeating this 3 times. This will then allow me to make my triangle. So here's my triangle, and what you also want to do is go back to the pen blocks and have the erase all block. Put this at the beginning of your when click function so that you can start with a blank canvas every single time you click. If we have a triangle, what we can now do is create a series of triangles going around in a circle to form our spiral. What you want to do is go to the motion blocks and select the turn. You can add this to the bottom so that every single time a new triangle is formed, it turns 15 degrees. To form several triangles, you can go to Control and have this set of code repeat forever. This will make an infinite number of triangles going around in a circle and turning 15 degrees every time. So as you can see, we now have our spiral forming, and we'll continue to add triangles until we press the stop. So now that you have your basic spiral, what you can now do to make it more interesting is customize it. You can go to the pen blocks, as I have here, and you can set the pen color to whatever color you want. I will set the pen color to green. So as you can see, our spiral is now green. Another thing I can do is have the color change as the spiral is being formed. You can get this block called Change Pen Color and have it at the end of your forever loop, and then have the color gradually change as the triangles are being formed. So as you can see, our originally green triangles are now turning into blue and going through all the other colors of the rainbow. Another thing we can do to customize our spiral is have the triangles increase as the spiral is being formed. This will then create a shell shape. So we can do this by going to our variables and creating a variable to replace the number 50 and move 50 steps. We can name this variable length since it will be determining the length of the triangle, and we can put this in place of 50. Now, instead of moving 50 steps, it will move length steps. So we can originally set length to 50. Then as the triangles are being created, we can change the length by 1 every single time so that the triangles increase as the spiral goes. So as you can see, the triangles are now overlapping the other triangles since they're increasing in size. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.